The moment of truth has arrived.
I have clean hands. I've washed
Susan's
them.
got her hands clean. We are getting into our kraut crock.
No mold, no scum.
No mold, oh boy.
I can take a bite and eat that. It
You want me to
smells
hold on to
so
that for you?
good. No, it's fine.
I'm going to hang on to this plate for you so you got your hand free.
Picking up the big leaves
Picking
we
up
had it
big
covered
leaves.
with.
So you're getting the big leaves out of there.
How many big leaves were there?
We had it wrapped up real good in big leaves on
Oh,
top.
that's good. We're good. Oh, man, that's nice. The brine is
Man, I wish you all
yet.
could smell this. This is just wonderful. Move your hand back, Susan. We're shading it. Oh, man. That is lovely. Look at that bunch of kraut. Anyway, Susan is going to hot pack this. Oh, it smells heavenly, people. If you remember the punching and crunching, this is our kraut that Susan cut up. I punched and crunched and weighted it down under a rock we got on the Rio Grande River. She's already eating the big cabbage leaves.
They're good.
Okay, I'm going to cut off here so she can get to work. Okay, here we go. I got a handful of nice kraut. She's going to pack some of this raw.
Clean jar.
Clean jar. Got a clean jar. Oh boy, I can barely see the viewfinder. Oh man. And you punch it down good. You dip liquid up and put in there too.
I will.
Yeah.
Boy, it's nice looking kraut. It's
Smells
not
great. And what's it
super
been?
sour.
It's been 2 weeks?
A little over 2 weeks, I think.
Oh dear.
It could even be sour, but I like it like this. I like it less sour.
My battery is flashing. It is going to cut us off.
It's okay.
Anyway, this is what we're doing. This is the
Put
stuff.
this one in the refrigerator and eat
we'll
out of it.
Yeah, this will be eating this fresh, and then she's
I
gonna
may do another one.
hot pack
refrigerator
most of it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh man, here Susan, smile for the camera. She's my little kraut.
Okay.
No, it's okay. Okay, we've got the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints in the canner, and Susan's going to hot water bath these. These will be boiling soon. She'll boil them for 10 minutes, and this is just the most fun. Anyway, so that's where we're at. Going to do 8, and the rest of them she's going to do in quarts. So we got pints, and we're going to finish it out with quarts. Okay, well, if you listen, you can hear it boiling. So this is hot water bath, no pressure on this one. And of course it's venting through that. But if you listen, you can hear that baby cooking. And Susan's timing it. When it gets done, she'll let that cool down a bit and then pull them out. Isn't that a wonderful sound? That's hot water bath. Okay, I'm going to cut off again. Okay, here we are. Susan is pulling the kraut out of the canner. Okay, can you get by me there, Susan?
I heard a click. One of them sealed.
And already. There's a second one sealed. We're hearing them click, click.
There's another one. Probably one of them sealed in there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Thought I heard it. And we still have the fresh in the refrigerator.
Yeah, I got fresh in the refrigerator. Got about another gallon to put in to go.
Kind of my.
And they're already clicking in. Oh boy.
I'm gonna cover them.
Gotta cover them up.
Put them to bed for a while. Whoop.